Built from 1948 all the way to 1990, the Citroën 2CV is almost as iconic as the Volkswagen Beetle, and just like its German counterpart, it was offered in a variety of body styles. The hatchback variant, known as a four-door saloon, is arguably the most popular, but Citroën made sure that the 2CV would become a high-selling all-rounder and also built a panel van and even a pickup variant. All told, the 2CV is impressively versatile for an economy car that's less than 4 meters, 157.5 inches long, but none of the factory-built iterations compare to the 2CVD, a semi-style conversion that hauls a stylish camper built from scratch. Built by a man from Switzerland, it's perhaps the most intriguing 2CV-based vehicle ever built. This project started out as Berndt's childhood dream. Following decades of plans and drawings, the semi-camper combo was transferred from paper into reality beginning in 1996, when Berndt started working on the car. But there's a catch here, because while it may look like a 2CV, it's actually an Acadian underneath. If you're not familiar with the latter, it's a panel van version of the Citroën Diane. It was introduced in 1977 as a replacement for the 2CV utility model, a bit more modern. It also had a bigger payload of 500 kilograms, 1,100 pounds. So why did the owner choose to rework the Acadian into a 2CV? Well, he's a big fan of the 2CV, but needed the enhanced capability of the Acadian to haul the camper. And the revised bodywork isn't the only major change behind this semi-style. To CV, the car also features a 4x4 system, activated with a switch between the seats, 2 gas tanks for extended mileage, and a slightly more modern engine from the Citroën Visa, but the latter is still related to the engines that Citroën offered in the 2CV because Berndt went with the 652cc 2-cylinder boxer found in the base model. It's only slightly larger than the final 600cc iteration fitted in the 2CV and cranks out 34 horsepower. That's only 5 horses more, but enough to haul a trailer at reasonable speeds. Speaking of which, Berndt says the 2CV is not impressively fast, but can safely travel it up 290 kph 56 miles per hour. When hauling the trailer by itself, the 2CV reaches 105 kph 65 miles per hour. Berndt says he used the 2CV camper to travel from Greece to Sweden, a 5,000 km 3,107 mile journey he completed in about 3 weeks. He also traveled from Portugal close to the eastern Russian border, so the 2CV camper's reliability is not an issue. How much money did Berndt put into this project? Well, he says he didn't keep count, but he thinks he could have bought a well-equipped Volkswagen California with everything he spent from R&D to materials. But he doesn't regret taking this route, and he doesn't plan on stopping here, either, because he also wants to build a mini camper based on another Citroën 2CV until that happens. Check out the super awesome Dölüggs motorhome in the video below.